Hello, good morning everyone. I am Teacher Fateh again here. We are going to continue our mathematics lesson with a new topic which is addition and subtraction story. Okay, kita akan teruskan dengan topik tambah dan tolak, reka cerita bagi tambah dan tolak. Okay, for this section, for this topic, you need to use your creativity and comprehension to create stories based on the pictures or mathematical equation. Okay, kamu kena reka cerita berdasarkan gambar ataupun ayat matematik. Okay, hari ini sebelum kita start, cikgu nak ingatkan kamu balik. We are going to revise about the key words, okay, the important words that we learn in addition and subtraction. Okay, what are some of the examples of important words in addition? Apa contoh-contoh perkataan yang penting yang telah kita belajar dalam tambah, addition? What is it? How do we know that we need to add something? Okay, for example, the first one is total. Okay, total. When it says find the total of something, so that means you need to add. Okay, you need to add. What else? Total. Okay, more than, or more, something like that. For example, like what is the total of something when it is more than 2 or something like that. Okay, more than. When you see more than, you need to add. Okay, what else? Okay, total number. Okay, all together. I'm sorry. All together. Okay, all together. Alright, let's look at subtraction. Subtraction, what did we learn before this? The keywords. Balance, of course. What is the balance when you minus? What is the balance of, for example, 5? Okay, you have 5 ringgit. You buy ice cream with 2 ringgit. So what is your balance? What is the balance of your money? So you have to subtract. And then left. Okay, how many left? How many left? Macam tu. You have to subtract. What else? Subtraction. Another one. Difference. What is the difference between 10 and 5? What is the difference between 10 and 5? Which means you need to minus 10 minus 5. Like that. What is the difference between 10 and 5? Alright. Okay, let's just memorize this first, and then we will look if there is more, and then I just show you. Okay, another one. I'm so sorry. Less than. Okay, I'm going to post this in Padlet, so you can just read there. Okay, less than. Okay, let's just look. Okay, your textbook. Look at your textbook, page 93. Okay, 93. Alright, 93. Let's look at the first one. Okay, for this part, we need to look at the pictures, and then we need to create stories. Okay, there are 5 red cars. There are 3 yellow cars. Okay, look at the picture. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Okay, there are 5 red cars. There are 3 yellow cars. So there are 8 toy cars altogether. Okay, so you see here, altogether, it means that you need to add. You need to do addition. Okay, 5 add with 3 is 8. Okay, this count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 cars, 8 toy cars all together. Okay, all together, this is the keyword. Let's look at the next picture. Okay, we can see there is two kinds of hair clip. Okay, one is flower, one is ribbon. Okay, one is flower hair clips, and then one is ribbon hair clip. Okay, so what do we need to do if we want to find the total? Okay, let's look at the story. There are 8 flowered hair clips. Okay, 8 flower hair clips. This is one. This is the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so there are 8 flowered hair clips and blank ribbon hair clips. How much ribbon hair clips? This one lah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 ribbon hair clips. Ada 6 ribbon hair clips. The total, let me just highlight this. Okay, the total number of hair clips is, okay, the total. When we say total, it means you need to do addition. So you add 8 plus 6. Okay, 8 plus 6 equals to how much? Just use your hand lah. Just use your fingers. I'm sorry. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14. Okay, I forgot. We need to do the number sentence or mathematical equation from the story as well, actually. Okay, this one altogether, right? 5 plus 3 equals to 8. This is the equation for this story. Okay, for this one, just now, there are 8 flowered hair clips. There are 6 ribbon hair clips. So the total number of hair clips is 14. Okay, see, this is the mathematical equation. Okay, let's look at the third one. Mila has how much purple stickers? Maylee has blank red stickers. Their total number of stickers is, okay, this is the example of story. For addition as well, how do we know? Because this is the important word, which is total number, total. So we need to do addition. Okay, first of all, let's just count how many purple stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 purple stickers. Okay, for mathematical equation, you write 9 first. Okay, Maylee has how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, Maylee has 10 red stickers. Their total number, which means you need to plus 10 of stickers, is how much? 10 plus 9 is 19. Okay, it's like that. This is the equation that you need to write from the story. Okay, so for this part, these are all examples of addition story ya. Okay, kat sini ialah contoh cerita bagi operasi tambah. Okay, let's look at the next page. Next page is 94. Okay, for 94, these are the examples for the story of subtraction. Okay, let's look at the first one, 4. Okay, 4, number 4. Okay, you can see here there are some eggs. Okay, let's read the story. There are 10 eggs on the table. Okay, initially, okay, at first, there are 10 eggs. Okay, masa mula-mula ada 10 telur. Okay, 3 eggs are broken. 3 telur pecah. Okay, 3 telur pecah. So, maksudnya mesti kita akan kena cari the balance of eggs that are not broken. Okay, so there are 10 eggs initially, and then 3 eggs are broken. So, how many left? Okay, how many eggs are not broken? 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3? 7. Okay, so 7. This is the mathematical equation. 7 eggs are not broken. Okay, can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 eggs are not broken. Only 3 are broken. Okay. How do we know it is subtraction? Because we want to know how many eggs are not broken. Okay, so we minus. Let's look at number 5. Okay, Safi has 12 pet fish. Okay, you can see here. Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, they are all 12 fish. Okay, 12 fishes. Okay, how many are goldfish? How many are goldfish? Let's count. This one is goldfish. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, there are 4 goldfish. The balance, yeah, see, balance. When we say balance, we need to subtract. Okay, bila kita nampak balance, kita kena tolak baki. Baki berapa? Okay, how much is the balance? Okay, the balance are guppy fish. So how do we do? Total is 12. Okay, 4 are goldfish. So meaning, if you want to find the balance, we need to minus. So 12 minus 4, do easy subtraction. Okay, 2, 3, 4. So there are 8. The rest of the fish is guppy fish lah, 8. Okay, the balance are 8 guppy fish. Guppy fish is this one lah, the colorful ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, correct. 8. Okay. So this is the example, another example for subtraction. Okay, another one, the last one. Maria makes how many purple flowers? Okay, we can see here purple flowers and yellow flowers. So definitely we have to count lah. Okay, let's count the purple flowers first. Okay, let's just count including this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 flowers, 15 purple flowers. Okay, how much is the yellow flowers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 20 yellow flowers. So, and then, okay, we need to find the difference. Remember, difference is subtraction. Okay, if you see difference, it means you need to subtract. You need to minus. The difference of purple flowers and yellow flowers is how much? So you need to minus 20 minus 15. Okay, we cannot write 15 minus 20. Cannot. Okay, it's always the big one minus the small one. Okay, 20 minus 15. Okay, that's 5. Okay, the answer is 5. The difference between purple flowers and yellow flowers is 5. Okay, I'm sorry, there's another page here I want to show you. For this part 95, it's about creating stories from mathematical equation. This is mathematical equation or number sentence, or in bahasa Melayu you call it as ayat matematik lah ya. Tiga ini apa? These are all ayat matematik. Okay, number sentence or mathematical equation. Okay, so we need to make stories from the equation. Okay, these are all the examples of stories that are made from the equation. Ini semua adalah contoh cerita yang dibuat daripada ayat matematik. Okay, let's look at the first one. The 7. 30 plus 34 equals to 64. Okay, how do we do this? Okay, the example, Ravi reads 30 comics. Ravi read 30 comics. Zul reads 34 comics more See, more than Ravi. Zul reads 64 comics altogether. Okay, more than means we need to add. Okay, Zul. Just now Ravi read 30. So Zul reads 34 comics more than 34 comics more than Ravi. So 30 plus 34. Okay, 30 plus 34 equals to 64. Okay, this part, for if you want to create stories from equation, you need to be a little bit creative lah. Okay, and then the next one, let's look at the next one, number 8. 45 plus 50 equals to 95. So what story can we do for this equation? Okay, let's look. Sarah keeps how many ringgit? Okay, we take this one lah, 45 ringgit. Her mother gives another. You see the hint. This is like the hint, the clue. Okay, her mother gives another, which means you need to add. Okay, add another, how much? 50 ringgit. So the total amount is you need to add. Okay, the total amount of Sarah's money. Okay, all of this, how many ringgit? 95. Okay, so this is the example you can use for addition. See, gives another. Okay, total amount, more than, or altogether. These are some of the important words that you can use to create stories from equation. Okay, for the next one, 9. Number 9. This one is subtraction. Okay, 37 minus 16 equals to 21. So the example of story they are given is Selvi has 37 bits. Okay, this one is Selvi's. Selvi's has 37. She gives. Okay, she gives, meaning you need to subtract. Okay, you have, for example, teacher give you simple question, a simple situation. Okay, teacher has 10 chocolate. Okay, and then teacher gives teacher gives 5 chocolates to Ahmad. Okay, and then how many left? Okay, 10 minus 5 is 5. So there are 5 chocolates left lah. It's like that, give. Okay, give. When you give, meaning you have to subtract. Okay, subtract ni. Okay, she gives 16 bits to Azi. Okay, 16 bits. This one is Selvi's. Selvi has 37, and then she gave 16 to Azi. So how many left? Okay, how many Selvi's bits left? Okay, there are 21. Okay, let's look at number 10. 58 minus 13 equals to 45. Okay, how do we do story from this equation? Okay, for example, Sunny's mother sells how many buns on Sunday? Okay, let's just take this one. 58 buns on Sunday. On Monday, she sells less. Okay, less maksudnya kurang. Kurang maksudnya kena tolak. Okay, less, you need to subtract. Okay, less. That's why you need to subtract. Okay, when you see less, meaning you have to subtract. Please remember, yeah. Okay, so she sell less. This one lah, less 13 buns on Monday. So if 58 and then there are 13 less, you need to minus 58 minus 13. Okay, then only you will get the answer on how many buns she sold on Monday. On Monday, she sells how much? 45. Okay, kamu kena tengok 58 buns on Sunday. Lepas tu, macam mana nak dapat tahu berapa buns yang dia jual masa Monday. Dekat sini dia dah bagi tahu she sell kurang 13 bun daripada Ahad. So kalau kurang 13 bun daripada Ahad, kamu kena tolak lah 58 tolak 13. Jadi dapat jawapan. Okay, so that's all for this part. You need to remember the keywords. Okay, for example, for addition, the keywords are total, more than, altogether. And for subtraction, you can use less than, difference, left, or balance. Okay, for this one, I will upload on Padlet. Okay, for today's exercise, activity book page. Activity book page. Okay, you really need to create your own story. I think for the first part, okay, let me show you this one. My book is in Bahasa Melayu, Bahasa Malaysia, but it's the same actually. It's just the language, the questions are the same. Okay, for 107, your activity book, I think this one, 107 and 108, I think there is no problem for you to do it because you just need to put the numbers into the boxes. Okay, you just read carefully. Okay, for this part, the one that is a bit complicated is page 109. This one, 109 and 1010. Why I say it's a bit tedious? Okay, 110, because you need to create your own stories, which means you need to do your own sentences. Kamu kena buat ayat sendiri. Okay, for this part, you need to create your own stories according to the mathematical equation. Okay, just use all of the keywords that we have learned. Okay, for example, for this one, we just see 15 plus 6. I give you an example. There are 15 pink colored ribbons, and there are 6 yellow colored ribbons. The total amount of ribbons is 21. For example, okay, just use this one lah, the keywords, and then use your creativity to make your own stories from the equation. So that's all for today. I'm really sorry I do not have the time to make a Google Meet yet today. So if you have any question, just contact me. I am available 24/7. Okay, thank you so much.